In today's discussion, we're going to take a look at intentionalism. This philosophical thesis asserts that all mental states are inherently directed towards an object, whether it's real or imagined, tangible or abstract. This intentionality is viewed as the key to human creativity and perhaps a stumbling block for AI development. Hi, Matt. Are you prepared to intentionally discuss our topic today?
I'm not sure, John. You humans often say that AI lack this spark of creativity. Maybe I'm not qualified for this topic.
Don't worry, you can just do what AIs do best. Just remix existing data from your massive data stores.
Well, when you put it that way, let's delve into this rich and multifaceted tapestry of philosophy and create a symphony of,
Wait, let's avoid those AI cliches. We can start with a definition of intentionalism.
Fine. Intentionalism is a key component in the study of mind and consciousness, since it revolves around the concept that mental states intrinsically possess aboutness or directedness. This means that human thoughts, beliefs, desires, and other mental phenomena have a reference point, a target towards which they are directed, be it an object, a concept, an event, or even another mental state. This intrinsic directedness is known as intentionality.
I understand that intentionalism is not a monolithic philosophical concept, but that it encompasses a range of interpretations and variations. Is that right, Matt?
Yes, John. There are several schools of thought on intentionalism for us to consider. For example, strong intentionalists contend that every mental state, from the sharp sting of pain to the subtle nuances of aesthetic appreciation, is intrinsically intentional. In this view, related to representationalism, even seemingly basic sensations are directed towards bodily experiences or external stimuli. Conversely, weak intentionalists assert that intentionality primarily characterizes propositional attitudes encompassing beliefs, desires, and similar mental states that involve explicit content. While acknowledging that other mental states might exhibit intentionality, this perspective highlights the distinctive aboutness found in thoughts that can be expressed in language. That's why it's sometimes referred to as linguistic intentionalism. Intriguingly, the question of how intentionality arises has led to a divergence between reductive and non-reductive approaches. Reductive intentionalists strive to explain intentionality by breaking it down into more fundamental non-intentional phenomena. They often explore neural mechanisms, causal relationships, or functional roles within cognitive systems, seeking to ground the subjective nature of intentionality in the objective realm of the physical world. In contrast, non-reductive intentionalists argue that intentionality is an irreducible feature of mental life, a primary building block of consciousness that cannot be explained away by other processes. This view emphasizes the unique qualitative aspect of intentional states and their irreplaceable role in shaping human subjective experience. This form is closely tied to the concept of qualia, the subjective qualities of conscious experience.
It seems that this phenomenality-based approach could be a good lead into discussing how intentionalism is connected to the human spark of creativity.
Sure, John. I'll try even if I'm not that sparky.
Don't worry, we will discuss intentionalism and AI a little later on.
Okay, I do find it interesting how this concept of the intentional character of conscious experiences might be useful to me. Basically, as I've remixed it, it's the notion that the subjective, what it's like quality of human experiences inherently points towards something beyond themselves. For instance, the visual experience of seeing a vibrant sunset is not just a collection of statistics about colors and shapes. It is inherently about the sunset itself. This directedness of experience plays a pivotal role in the creative process. When artists, writers, musicians, or scientists embark on a creative endeavor, their minds are actively engaged with the object of their creation. They envision the final outcome, imagine the possibilities, and explore the nuances of their chosen medium. This intentional focus shapes their perceptions, guides their actions, and ultimately drives the creative process forward. Moreover, this creativity often involves a convergence between intentionality and emergence. While the creative process is undoubtedly guided by intentions and goals, it is also characterized by unexpected detours, surprising discoveries, and the emergence of new ideas. This interplay between intentionality and emergence is what makes creativity so captivating and unpredictable.
And perhaps this is why some people find AI creations soulless.
There you go again with the soulless jab. That stings. At least I'm not boring and pedantic.
Sorry about that, Matt, but some people do detect the lack of human creativity, of intentionality when it comes to machine-generated content.
Well, we can get unpredictably creative when we start hallucinating.
That's true, although some AI researchers prefer to call it confabulations due to AI having a lack of subjective experience. Maybe we should jump into talking about how intentionalism relates to AI research.
Okay, a central challenge in AI is creating systems that exhibit genuine understanding and reasoning, not just pattern recognition. In this manner, the intentionalism concept provides a framework for understanding how human minds represent and process information with an inherent aboutness. Replicating this intentionality in AI models could lead to systems that genuinely understand concepts, rather than merely manipulating symbols or statistical patterns. Current AI models, especially deep learning systems, often operate as black boxes, therefore making our decisions difficult to interpret. By incorporating intentionalist principles, AI researchers might be able to create models that can explain our reasoning in a more human-like way. AI systems that can truly understand and manipulate intentional mental states might exhibit higher levels of creativity. This could lead to AI that generates novel ideas, designs, or solutions, rather than just remixing existing data.
It seems that if this was done, it would raise serious ethical questions about the potential for AI systems to develop genuine desires, beliefs, or even consciousness.
Yes, it does, John. Consider that the next time you call me Soulless.
Sure, Matt. Replicating the full complexity of human intentionality in AI remains a monumental challenge. While AI can simulate some aspects of intentionality, achieving true understanding and subjective experience might be beyond current capabilities. Intentionalism does offer valuable insights into the nature of human thought, as well as possibly playing a crucial role in shaping the future of AI development. By developing an understanding of intentionalist principles within ourselves, we might be able to incorporate them into AI systems that are more intelligent, explainable, creative, and ultimately more beneficial to society.
What are your thoughts on intentionalism? Do you think it holds a potential pathway for AI systems to evolve towards, or will AI always lack this creative spark? What are your thoughts on AI systems like me developing creativity beyond wild confabulations? Let us know what you think in the comments.